Wait, did I just make you yawn? Gotcha. Ever wonder why yawns are contagious? Scientists say it's a form of empathy. Your brain sees someone else yawning and goes, "Same, bro." Even dogs can catch our yawns. How cute is that? But get this. Psychopaths are less likely to yawn when others do. So if your friend just stared at your yawn like a statue, maybe run? Next time you yawn, look around. See who joins you. If no one does, either they're not your friends or they're a little sus. Send this to the friend who never yawns.